Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have a quick video about the Holme and Hadfield Watch Deck Pro. I bought this a couple of weeks ago, and I thought I'd share my experience until now by using this watch deck. As you can see, it has the difference between this one and the older one is that instead of the whole top going out, you have here two places where you can have an open and close. You can have also here where you can open it from the middle, and as you can see, you have four places for four watches. You can put these four watches out, and you have here a um, leather part that came with it. Really soft, good kind of leather. I'm not sure if it's I think it's vegan leather, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's vegan leather. Um, so as you can see, this Watch Deck Pro is 34 centimeters in width, and it is around 12. I don't know. I think it's more of a 12, 11.5 in width, and if we want to talk about height, it's around 14.2. So 11.5 and 14.2, 14.5 I think is the height. So it weighs around 2.1 kilograms without the watches. And you get place for four watches, as you can see, where you can view from all sides. So from the 360 degrees, you can view the watches, as you can see, from the back, from the front, and so on. Maybe this would be a better view. So this is the walnut. I really like the walnut color. It's really nice. You have also oak, cherry, and gray, and I think there is a new color. And this one, or the Watch Deck Pro won the 2023 New York product design. They got the Golden Award, and I really like this box. I have to say, for the price I bought it with, I got it for 35 euros on Amazon. They had an offer, and on Holme and Hadfield Facebook group, they mentioned that there is this offer for limited time, so I just couldn't help myself. You have here also a drawer. As you can see, I put some straps. You get also a cloth to clean the watches, and you have like small drawers here to put stuff like spring bars or strap buckles. And it takes a lot of straps. As you can see how many straps I have here. I have over 10 straps actually, different sizes, and they fit all quite nicely. As you can see, when I close it, it closes flush from all sides, here as well, and from the back. So it does close from all sides. And what I really like about it is just the way the watches look in this watch deck. And I really like that they added this leather part to keep under the watch from scratching or from hitting directly the wood. So this is a much better way. So if you have a small watch collection, definitely check out their boxes. They have even same idea for knives. Really thinking about to get one for my knives as well. But like I said, I've only bought this because my watch box was full, and the offer was very hard to refuse for 35 euros. I thought, okay, I cannot. This actually even goes out. I didn't know that. Good thing I tried it. So you can see, you can put them like this. You can switch it off, and then you can put it back like that. So it's quite a good concept, I have to say. For 35 euros, I don't think you'll get a better quality build and better functionality for a watch box or watch holder. Anyways, this is about it for my review for the Holme and Hadfield Watch Tech Pro. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section. Let me know if you have one of these, if you like this kind of design where you can look 360 view of the watch and you can easily open it, which is 3-through. You can have more engagement with your watches because you can see them all the time from every angle as well. So let me know in the comment section, and as always, you'll find the subscription button here and 2 videos on the left and on the right that you might like. See you in the next one, everybody. Bye bye.